If you have been following me for a while, you probably noticed that my channel has been a bit quiet lately. I haven't uploaded as many tutorials or videos as I used to, and it's time to explain to you why that is. First of all, don't worry, I'm not quitting, I'm not selling all my lasers, and I am definitely not disappearing, but a lot have changed the past year. As many of you know, my family and I moved back home to Denmark from Sicily after spending 5 years there. And we literally had to rebuild our lives from scratch. New routines, new daycare, new workshop, a new home and a new everyday life. And somewhere along the road I realized that I couldn't handle everything at once. For years, laser content was my entire life. Designing files, making tutorials, reviewing lasers, running Etsy, working with laser companies, managing Facebook groups, creating videos and maintaining my communities. And creating the videos that you'd like to watch. And while I still love doing all of that, I am so exhausted. And after moving back home to Denmark, I just needed to breathe. When we moved back home, I was full of plans. I wanted to recreate everything I had already done international, but in Danish. I launched a Danish web shop and I made some Danish groups and a Danish laser channel. I had plans on selling materials in Denmark, but then I got scammed. And a lot of the projects that I was going through took a lot longer time than I expected. And others simply didn't work as I had hoped for. I lost money, I dealt with stress, and at one point it felt like I was trying to build 5 years of work in a few months. We lost our precious dog, and for those of you who have been following along, she was more than just a dog and a big part of our family, and her loss was probably the final drop for me. So around that time I did something completely different, and I launched a Danish personal channel. At first it was just to catch up on all our great memories, our move, our life in Sicily, the life we have with Felix. And honestly, I didn't expect much of it. But something surprising happened, and people were actually connected and interested in my own personal story. Not because of lasers and not because of business, but because my story is real. And that reminded me that I am more than just a laser creator. I'm also a mother, a wife, a creative person, and a person who has a story to tell. But here is the important thing, because my laser content isn't gone. I still have machines to review, projects I want to make and ideas I want to test. And in fact, I have new review videos coming. The difference is that I am no longer trying to force myself to upload content frequently. I'd rather make a few videos that I'm actually proud of than uploading simply because I feel obligated to. And I'll also be honest about something else, because I do have a lot of review videos coming, but that's not because I'm only interested in making money. The reality is that those type of videos are actually easier for me to make while I try to rebuild everything else. They help support my channel, they help me test new machines and give benefits to you, and they allow me to continue creating content without burning out again. My goal has never been to turn my channel into a commercial channel, and I am not going to now, but I do need some time to find back the joy in laser creations, because I simply have way too much going on right now. Because of that, I've decided to open up a really simple support membership for those of you who are interested in supporting the channel. This isn't a huge membership program with weekly exclusive content or free files or anything like that, because I simply don't want to promise things that I don't know if I can deliver right now. So think about it more as a buy me a coffee program. If you enjoy my content and want to support future tutorials, reviews, free resources and projects, that's what it is for. And if not, that's completely okay too. I'll still be making videos, but maybe not as fast as I usually did. So no, the channel is not dead, and no, I am not quitting. And yes, there are more content coming, but I'm simply in a season of life where I am rebuilding and trying to figure out how to manage my time, finding balance and figuring out what I want the next chapter to look like. So thank you for being part of my journey. Thank you for your patience, and thank you for sticking around. And if you really want to help me, I would love to know which type of laser content that you are most interested in watching, and what you miss the most, and what you would like me to continue working on when I get my energy back. Because I do promise that I will be back, and hopefully I will be back with full speed the next time I see you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.